Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Hollowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial. I had a client ask me a question yesterday and I told him I would record a video to try to answer his question. So one of the things he said to me is ACT and Microsoft Outlook are a good team. And one of the tools that's available is the ability to take incoming and outgoing emails and have those attached to the ACT contact. So in other words, when an email comes into Outlook, it can find the corresponding email address in ACT and attach that incoming or outgoing email to the ACT contact, so you have a record of it. But my contact said it was putting two histories there. So it was happening twice. It was documenting it twice in the ACT contact on the history tab. So what I suspect was happening is that ACT has a tool called the ACT Outlook add-in. And that tool is something that comes with your ACT software subscription. And with that subscription, you have the ability to use this tool right here to connect incoming and outgoing emails. My experience has been that through the years, this tool has not been that reliable. It can work and then stop working. Therefore, a company called Keystroke, where I'm a partner, has created a couple products. One is called ACT for Mail, that you'll notice right here, and one is called ACT for Outlook. And those two products help solve that dilemma of the ACT Outlook add-in not being reliable. Now, in fairness to this add-in in ACT, this tool, in my experience, has become much more reliable in the last year or so. I've been using it for the last year, and it works fine, and it does some good things. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll notice this little bar over here on the right that allows you to add and update contact information in ACT. Now, having said that, the reason this person, and myself included, were getting double recording is because we have both of these add-ins set here to record the information. If you decide you don't want this add-in to work, either one of them, you simply come down here to Go, click on this, and when you get inside this, you'll see a box will pop up that will allow us to choose what we see. And here, if we don't want one of these two add-ins to work, simply uncheck it. And then that will solve the issue of double recording. Now, having noted that, you can also, you'll notice up here, this is my ACT for Mail settings up on the right. I can also configure this not to record that information as well. So there's some options up here we can do, but this is the most common way you're going to resolve that issue. What I want to do is I want to back out of this for just a minute and show you how I even got into this area to work on it. So to get into the add-ins area, you simply go File, you go down to Options, you click on Add-ins, you're inside here. If you want to modify these two items, you just click on Go. And that's it. So that's most likely why it's being double recorded. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a good day. Bye now.